What's up, you guys? I'm back with another mother freaking video. So today's video is gonna be a different video from everything that I usually post. I'm gonna not cuss because this video is gonna be a slime video requested by my nieces Mimi and Bear. They don't want me to do this video for like a month or so, and I just, you know, honestly, I've been, you know, I ain't had money like that, though. I had to wait till I got some money. And yeah, so here I go. I'm gonna show y'all all my products and things. We're gonna get right into it. I think this is gonna be like maybe a fluffy slime ball. This is my first time making like slime. I think I've made it one time before, but it was a lot different. But y'all, we just gonna get right into the video, okay? Alright, you guys, so here I got my bowl. I got all of my products here. I got 4 things of glue. I've got 2 things of glitter glue. This is all from the Dollar Tree. Only thing that wasn't from the Dollar Tree is my detergent. I've got some shaving cream. I've got my detergent right over here. I'm not really gonna mess with it too much because I don't want it to fall. I've got my gloves and I got some water. So pretty much all you'll need is glue, borax, and that's about it. But I don't have borax, so I'm going to use detergent. See how this works. I really hope it turns out good, you guys. So after so much kneading and adding detergent and mixing and adding detergent and just mixing and mixing and mixing, I get this, you guys. I get this. This is what I got. It is no slime. Y'all, it's water. It's water, like. And it was my first time making this kind of slime. I think if I had borax, it would have like did really good. But I'm actually like really disappointed in this, like, cause I expected this to be slime. So sorry, Mimi and Bailey. I am gonna try again, y'all. I wasted how many things did I use? I used like 4 cups of laundry detergent. You guys, do not do what I did. I did not have Tide laundry detergent. I don't know if that was the excuse me. I don't know if that was the difference or what, but y'all, some bull, okay? But anyway, I'm off here. I love you guys. This is a slime fail. I'm kind of embarrassed about it because like I expected it to be cool, but anyways, it's alright. I'm gonna try it again. But anyways, you guys, I will see y'all later.